Hello. Another day, another car for me, and I increasingly find it is another day, another electric car. This is the Lexus UX300e, which is the Japanese luxury car maker's first battery electric vehicle. Lexus India might not be bringing this car into the Indian market. They haven't commented one way or another. But Lexus is going to be changing its entire lineup to primarily be electric vehicles in the future. And they brought this particular car into India to sort of gauge the reaction of the market, not just with automotive journalists such as myself, but also potential customers to how they feel about electric vehicles such as this one. Personally, I really like it. I mean, Lexus's overall infotainment system and other things feel a bit off, but I really love the looks on this car. It looks stunning. I mean, the headlights on this car and the tail lights are really, really nice. Like whenever I pull up at a red light like this, I'm really looking out for the car behind me because I hope he doesn't touch me, because those tail lights, it'll hurt if they get damaged. Anyway, like all electrics, this is great to drive. But what I really like about this car is that it has flappy paddles. Now, flappy paddles on most internal combustion engine cars, quite pointless. Now, let me explain why. If you have an automatic with flappy paddles in the city, you really don't need to use them because the car's computer knows when to change the gears much better than you would. However, on an electric vehicle like this, the flappy paddles help you adjust the level of regeneration that the car has. So right now I'm turning on to Kasturba Gandhi Marg and the light ahead of me has turned. So I just go down and the amount of regen goes up. I go down another level and the car starts pretty much braking by itself. Go up a bit to slow down right in front of the light when I have to.